Welcome class 6. Today we will solve the problems from exercise 11b, which is the chapter ratio. So here is the question number 1, which says the monthly salary of a person is rupees 12,000 and his monthly expenditure is rupees 8,500. Find the ratio of his salary to expenditure, expenditure to savings, and savings to salary. So let's solve it out. It's given that his monthly salary is rupees 12,000 and his monthly expenditure or expenses is equal to rupees 8,500. So if his expenditure is rupees 8,500, then we can calculate his savings is equal to rupees 12,000 minus rupees 8,500, which is equal to rupees 3,500. So first ratio that we are supposed to find is the salary to expenditure ratio. His salary over here, we know it's 12,000 and his expenditure is rupees 8,500. So 12,000 is to 8,500. When you simplify the ratio, the zeros can be cancelled. So 120 and 85 is formed after cancelling the zeros. Now 120 and 85 both can be divided by 5. So 120 is divided by 5 24 times and 85 is divided by 5 17 times. So the first ratio, salary to expenditure, is 24:17. Next we have to find the ratio of expenditure to savings. The expenditure is 8,500 and his savings is rupees 3,500. So 8,500 is to 3,500, where zeros can cancel, and 85 is to 35 is obtained. This on further simplification, 5 can cancel 85 again 17 times and 5 cancels 35 7 times. So 17:7 is the ratio of expenditure to savings. Lastly, we have to find his savings to salary, number 3. So his savings is again 3,500 and the salary is 12,000. So 3,500 is to 12,000, where the zeros can cancel and we will get 35:120. After 2 zeros is gone, 120 is left. Now 5 can cancel 35 7 times and 120 24 times. So 7:24 is the ratio of savings is to salary. And these are the required answers. Next is question number 4, which says reduce each of the following ratios to their lowest terms. As we have done this kind of question earlier, question number 1 I am showing out here, which has 1 hour 20 minutes is to 2 hours. Remember, in order to convert into the lowest terms, we need to convert the given units into the same units. Okay, here it's hour and minute and here it's only hours. So firstly we will convert the different units into the simple single unit. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour 20 minutes will be equal to 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, which is equal to 80 minutes. And similarly 2 hours will be equal to 2 into 60 minutes, which is equal to 120 minutes. So replacing 1 hour 20 minutes as 80 minutes and 2 hours as 120 minutes, the units can be cancelled, minute, and 40 can divide 80 2 times and 120 3 times. So 2:3 is the lowest simplified ratio. Similarly, question number 5, which says 5 kg 500 grams is to 2 kg 750 grams. And we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 5 kg 5000 gram is equal to 5000 gram plus 500 gram, which is equal to 5500 gram. Similarly, 2 kg 750 gram is equal to 2000 gram plus 750 gram, which is equal to 2750 grams. So replacing this value by 5500 gram and 2 kg 750 gram by 2750 gram, the gram unit cancels, and if we cancel zeros as well, we will get 550 is to 275. Further, if we cancel both the terms by 5, we'll get 5 will divide 550 110 times, and this 275 is divided by 5 55 times. Now 55 can divide 110 2 times, so we can write 55 will divide it 2 times and 55 will divide 55 1 times. So 2:1 is the simplified or the lowest ratio.